Hi guys, in this video we will see how to test the speed of your drive using WinSAT. You can easily test the speed of your drive using WinSAT in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here are the process. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes. In command prompt Windows, execute the command as shown on screen. WinSAT disk drive or your drive later. We will try with drive C and press enter. WinSAT space disk space dash drive C or D. We will go with drive C and press enter. You can see your drive speed is being measured, and at last you can see disk random read, disk sequential read, disk sequential write. This is the all your summary of your disk speed. So you can easily analyze your disk hard drive speed through WinSAT. If you want to change your drive, simply replace C with drive D and press enter. That's all.